Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on Google Maps. To get started, you want to go ahead and open your Play Store and you want to search for Google Maps. Okay, this is Google Maps. You want to click on it. What you want to do here is to first of all check if you have any pending update. Instead of the open, you're going to see update, okay? And you want to go ahead and click on update to update Google Apps. As you can see, I have updated my Google Apps, and you can go ahead and click on open to open it, or you can just simply swipe up. You want to search for maps, so that is Google Maps there. You want to go ahead and click on the app to open it. You want to tap on your profile icon right here, and then you want to click on settings, and you want to click on theme right here. As you can see, I have always in light theme, always in dark theme, and same as device theme. If you select same as device theme, Google Apps is going to automatically inherit any theme set for your device. You want to select always in dark theme. You want to go ahead and click save. As you can see, everything is in dark theme right now. This place was actually white before, if you remember correctly. Right now, everything is in dark mode. Guys, this is how to enable dark mode on Google Maps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.